Today I'm making marble tea eggs. I have 10 eggs here that I will be gently placing in this small pot. Add in 2 cups of water. Turn heat up to a medium flame and cover with a lid. Boil for about 10 minutes. Pour out the hot water and run it under cold water until it's cool enough to touch. Gently crack the surface of each egg and return it back to the pot. Next, adding in the seasonings and liquids. Here's Allspice, Star Anise, Coriander Seeds, cooking wine, sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, water, and a black tea bag. Cover with a lid and bring it to a boil. And then let it cook for an hour and a half on a medium boil. Store them in a container with the cooking liquid in the fridge. The flavor is going to get more intense over the next few days. And there you have it, marble tea egg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.